Hello, my name is Ray Rook, Vice President of Supply Chain at Mark VII Equipment, a subsidiary of WashTech, the world's largest car wash manufacturer. Every day throughout North America and around the world, we help car wash owners grow their business. I'm very excited to bring you an inside look at the factory here in Arvada, Colorado. We use shop floor management to keep track of our upcoming workload, capacity planning, safety, and we manage our 5S program with these boards as well. This is a great place for our teams to meet in the mornings to discuss the upcoming day's activities and to plan and strategize. Here at Mark VII, all receiving and shipping operations support production, fabrication, and aftermarket distribution. With field service technicians throughout the U.S. servicing customers' equipment, it is crucial we manage inventory with not only production in mind, but also the needs of our customers and service teams in varying regions and washing conditions. We have a nice flow through our factory with the receiving department being on the east side of the building where all incoming goods come in. From here they're stored in our primary warehouse for production. And next to that warehouse, we have our aftermarket warehouse or our service warehouse. Here we carry, on average, approximately $1.2 million with dedicated inventory for our aftermarket service and sales. With our people and the tenure we have in our teams, here the environment is great for teamwork across all departments. Most of our employees are cross-trained and able to support multiple departments, allowing for very efficient process and flexibility to meet fluctuating demand. Here in the Customer Care Center, we've got multiple teams sitting together. We've got the dispatch team for any service needs that are required. We've got the purchasing team. We've got order fulfillment. They're going to take care of your parts and your equipment orders. We've got technical support in this group, as well as our shop floor management team. It's taking care of all the production scheduling and working with the order fulfillment team on your parts and your equipment orders. This group here is here to take care of you. Mark VII brings to market our full range of XT in-bay automatics, including the Choice Wash, Soft Wash, AquaJet, and Dealer Fleet. We also produce the Jet Wash Self-Serve and Softline 2 tunnel, all here at our U.S. headquarters. Jet Wash is built here, all assembly, fabrication, pre-assembly, final assembly done internally. Pumping plants are built in-house in an independent department, custom built to order. These are items that are built for both bays with and without equipment rooms. From incoming goods to outgoing equipment and part sales, everything is passing through the factory here in Arvada. We pride ourselves in being a one-stop shop, including any ancillary needs for water treatment or air compressors or even off-board merchandising and lighting. At Mark VII, we have full fabrication capabilities, from turning and milling to sheet metal and welding. From assembly and final configuration of the electrical cabinets and panels powering our rollovers and tunnels, to the drive system and booms built in pre-assembly, every station feeds 2 final assembly lines where everything comes together. We have an electronics department here in the factory where we build the main electrical control panels for both our rollovers as well as our tunnels and our self-serve equipment, jet wash. Our flow is built with a pre-assembly and a final assembly concept. So all pre-assembly is built in independent stations. People work with our SAP system within their station, pulling their shop orders, drawings, etc., building their pre-assemblies and feeding them into the final assembly line. We produce the in-bay automatics in a lying down position, not standing them up until final wiring and plumbing. With this process, final assembly lands completed equipment in a test bay for a full inspection of all systems prior to shipping. We have 2 final assembly lines. All of our rollover equipment, Aquajet, soft wash, choice wash, dealer fleet machines, all of those can be built on either line. Each of the components of the machine are built in sub-assemblies, primarily made up of columns, upright columns, otherwise the legs of the machine, the feet, and the cross beams. These things are brought together after they're pre-assembled on some scissor tables that allow the gantry itself to be laid on its back and lifted up and down for assembly. When this final assembly step is done, the machine is lifted via crane and set into the final wiring bay, which is also the final test bay, where the machines are tested prior to packaging for shipping. Our shipping will be the last thing on the west side of the building. The exit of the test bay lands the machines here where we wrap them, do all the packaging, pull all the shipping kits, track, guide rail, any items that are shipping with equipment for installation purposes, or additional items we sold like ancillary, being air compressors, water softeners, RO systems, etc. Our location in Colorado lends itself to efficient delivery throughout most of the U.S. With primary shipping dates being Thursday and Friday, machines are on site and install underway Monday mornings. We are proud to build your equipment 1 week prior to shipping and in just 3 days elapsed time. And with that, I thank you for your time and hope you enjoy the rest of the convention.